creamy charred elote pinwheels, your new summer go-to Tex-Mex recipe coming right up. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making elote pinwheels, all the bold flavor of elote rolled up and sliced into perfect bites. These are my go-to for parties and potlucks when I need something I can prep the night before. For more delicious recipes, visit us at texmexathome.com. Now let's get cooking. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 servings as an appetizer. For today, we will need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, half a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 3 ears of corn roasted, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 jalapeños sliced, 2 to 4 burrito-size tortillas. Heat your skillet over high heat. Lay your corn on the dry skillet and turn them every 2 to 3 minutes until you have a nice char all around. That takes me about 8 to 10 minutes. Pull the corn off the skillet and let it cool enough to handle. Once the corn is cooled, stand each ear upright on your cutting board and carefully run a knife down one side to cut the kernels off. And here is something that makes life easier. I char my corn a day or two in advance and keep it in the fridge. Let's set the charred kernels aside. Grab your cream cheese. Make sure it's softened. It is your base and needs to spread easily. Using a fork, mash it until it's completely smooth with no lumps. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new Tex-Mex at Home recipe. Add the mayonnaise, chili powder, and lime juice to your cream cheese and mix until smooth. The spread will be smoky, creamy, and tangy. Place 1 tortilla flat on your cutting board. Spread the filling evenly over the entire tortilla all the way to the edges. Be careful not to place too much on the edges because as you roll it, the filling may spill out. Now add a layer of sliced jalapeños and cover the entire tortilla. Then add another layer of spread to cover the jalapeños. You don't want to slice the jalapeños too thick because then you can't fold them into your pinwheel. Add a layer of your charred corn kernels right on top of that. The corn and the jalapeños will give it a little crunch and a kick, just like mi abuelita when I showed up late to church. Sound familiar? Tell me in the comments. Starting from one end, roll it up as tightly as you can. Tight is the key word. Roll it loose and it'll fall apart when you slice it. Wrap your roll in plastic wrap and twist both ends to seal, just like a candy wrapper so it holds its shape. Do the same with your second burrito-size tortilla. Pop them into the fridge for at least 2 hours. This is what sets the filling so everything slices cleanly and stays together on a platter. Once our elote pinwheels are ready, unwrap them gently, then slice them into pinwheels on a cutting board. And there is my trick. When I'm ready to slice, I start in the middle instead of at one end. This gives me more even pinwheels all the way through. And there you have it, elote pinwheels, sliced into little rounds and ready for the party platter. The lime, the corn, and that little kick is like summer on the border. If you love elote, check out our cheesy elote dip, link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now, let's try it. Just like summer on the border. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.